welcome to Tiger River Watches. Today we have one of Rolex's most recognizable collections. The Rolex GMT-Master was created with the needs of avid world travelers in mind, with hard-to-beat functionality and a signature look to match, most notably its distinct two-tone bezel. The GMT-Master is truly unmistakable as one of Rolex's most coveted luxury sports watches. Let's learn how to use the Rolex GMT-Master. Before adjusting the time on a GMT-Master II, it's a good idea to first make sure it is properly wound. To do so, make sure your watch is in position 1 by winding the crown counterclockwise until it pops out of the case. Once in position 1, manually wind the crown by winding it in the opposite direction, clockwise, for a minimum of 20 full turns. To adjust the minute hand, pull the crown out 2 notches outside of the case. Once in position 3, turn the crown clockwise until you reach the desired time. Note that both hour hands will also adjust accordingly as the minute hand makes a full rotation. To adjust the time, set the watch to position 2 by pulling the crown 1 notch outside of the case. Turn the crown clockwise to set the hour hand to the time of your desired time zone. Now we are able to read time in 2 time zone, the primary hour hand and the minute hand point at 10:09, while the secondary hour hand and the minute hand point at 7:09. To read time in a 3rd time zone, we need to use the characteristic two-tone rotating bezel marked with a 24-hour scale. The rotatable bezel can be turned accordingly to display the time in that time zone, a convenient way to read a 3rd time zone with a simple tweak of the bezel. Now, in addition to the 2 time zone, we can read a 3rd time zone with a secondary hour hand pointing at 22:09 on the bezel. The GMT-Master collection has truly set the bar within not just the luxury watch realm, but more specifically within its travel-inspired watch genre. With all that said, the GMT-Master II is an iconic timepiece, practically within a genre of its own, and an easy fan favorite amongst avid world travelers.